Welcome to Ashutosh Coding Center. Now today we are going to start the chapter name is current electricity. Current क्या होता है देखो, the charge in motion constitute an electric current and the lightning is the one of the natural phenomena in which charge flow one from one cloud to the earth and through the atmosphere. ओके फिर जानते हैं इलेक्ट्रिक करंट क्या होता है। द रेट ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ चार्जेस एंड थ्रू एनी क्रॉस सेक्शनल ऑफ एनी कंडक्टर इज नोन एज द करंट। डेल्टा इफ डेल्टा क्यू इज अमाउंट ऑफ चार्जेस द फ्लो ऑफ through any cross section of the conductor in interval t to the t plus delta t, then it is defined as the ti is equal to q by t del q by del t, and the direction of the current taken as the direction of motion of positively charged particles and opposite to the direction of the negatively charged particle. The SI unit of current ampere and it is current quantity. Current density क्या है, तो current density is at any point in a conductor the ratio of the current at the point in the conductor to the area of the cross section of the conductor. It is the vector quantity and denoted by J. तो J is equal to क्या होता है, del I by del A. SI unit of current is density is meter per square. ड्रिफ्ट स्पीड क्या होता है, ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी इज डिफाइंड एज द एवरेज वेलोसिटी with which the free electrons moves towards the positive and the end of the conductor under the influence of an external electric field applied. It is denoted by the Vd. Okay, and Vd is equal to Em by m into tau, where tau is the relaxation time and E is equal to electric field and m is equal to mass and E is equal to charge of electron. अब देखो रिलेशन बिटवीन द current density and the drift speed. Let cross sectional area of any conductor be A and the number of electrons unit be n, area be n, and the drift velocity be Vd. The number of total moving electrons is in the second will be n is equal to NaVdt. So the moving charge in tq NaVdt, and hence the electric current is in t second is equal to q by t. I is equal to NaVd by Vt and by t, and I is equal to NeAVd. We know that J is equal to I by A यानी कि current by ampere, and putting I is equal to NeVd is above equation J is equal to NeVd. Okay, अब जानते हैं ओम्स लॉ क्या होता है। According to this law, at the constant temperature the potential differences V and across the end of a given metallic wire is in a circuit, and the electric current is directly proportional to the current flowing through that is I, and the V is directly proportional to I, and where the V is equal to IR and where R is equal to the conductor resistance of conductor. Mobility क्या होता है, mobility is defined as the magnitude of the drift per unit ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एंड डिनोटेड बाय म्यू. ओके, तो मोबिलिटी इसी को कहते हैं. उसके बाद आता है रेजिस्टेंस. क्या होता है, रेजिस्टेंस इज द रेशियो ऑफ द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंसेस अप्लाइड अक्रॉस द एंड ऑफ द कंडक्टर टू द करंट थ्रू it. Okay, and R is equal to V by I. Okay, where the SI unit of R is ohm. Resistivity क्या होता है, resistivity is defined as the ratio of the electric field applied at the conductor at the density of the conductor is denoted by the phi, and the phi is equal to E by J if the length of the conductor be I and the cross sectional area be A, and if potential difference at the point of conductor be V and the electric current be I, and then the I and E and J given by E is equal to V by I for second and J is equal to I by A. Putting the value of E and J from the equation second and third and into the first, and we get P is equal phi is equal to V by I into I by A. यानी कि फाइनल देखिए V by I is equal to A by A, यानी कि फाइनल आंसर आता है R is equal मतलब P phi is equal to R A by A. A by I. The constant of proportionality P depend on the material of the conductor but not on the its dimension. Phi is known as the resistivity or the specific resistance. Conductivity क्या होता है, conductivity is defined as the local resistance of the conductor. It is expressed phi is equal rho is equal to 1 by phi. The SI unit of MHO पर यूनिट या फिर पर ओम per meter square. सुपर कंडक्टिविटी क्या होता है? रेजिस्टिविटी ऑफ सर्टेन मेटल और एलॉय ड्रॉप इट टू जीरो दे when they are cooled below a certain temperature is called super conductivity. Okay. अब आता है इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी क्या होता है? व्हेन एन इलेक्ट्रिक करंट इज मूव्ड इन अ सर्किट electric circuit, then the energy of work done by the taking charge from one point to another point is called the electric charge. If a charge q at a potential difference v is moved from one point to another point, then doing work will be v is equal to w is equal to vq first, and putting q is equal to it equation first we get w is equal to vid. Putting v is equal to ir equation we get w is equal to ir square rt. Putting I is equal to V by R in the equation we get W is equal to V square by RT. Okay, RT. Power क्या होता है? Electric power is the rate of doing work by electric charge. It is measured by watt represented by P. पावर जो होता है वर्क बाय टाइम को कहते हैं, वहाँ एक हॉर्स पावर बराबर 746 वॉट होता है, और हेंस द पी इज इक्वल टू वी आई स्क्वायर आर वी स्क्वायर बाय आर. इसको ध्यान रखना. ओके, ये पूरा ही बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. इसको शेयर कर लो अपने किसी दोस्त के पास, ठीक है, ताकि वह भी काफ़ी खुश हो जाए कि भाई तुम कम से कुछ तो पढ़ रहे हो. ओके, हमारे दोस्त का नाम अमित पायोनियर. ओके, जस्ट बिकॉज ये एक रिसर्चर की तरह वर्क करता है इसलिए मैंने इसके नाम के आगे पायोनियर लगाया है, और कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. रजिस्टर कलर कोड्स क्या होता है? देखो ब्लैक के लिए होता है 1. देखो नंबर, देखो तो ये नंबर रहा, उसके बाद ये तुम्हारा मल्टीप्लायर रहा, ये टॉलरेंस है, तो इस सबको याद कर लेना. ओके. A carbon resistor has a set of coaxial color ring in them and whose significance is listed in above the table. First two bands formed the first two significant figure of the resistance is ohm. Third band decimal multiplier shown in the table, and the last band tolerance or possible variation in the percent per indicator value. For gold plus minus 5%, for plus minus 10% silver. Okay, and no color के लिए प्लस माइनस 20%. ओके, इसको ध्यान रखना. ओके, और कुछ नहीं है. द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ रेजिस्टर, देखो देखो कहते क्या है, देयर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ रेजिस्टर कॉम्बिनेशन. सीरीज में आता है, एक पैरेलल में आता है. सीरीज में क्या होता है? इन सीरीज डिफरेंट रेजिस्टेंस आर कनेक्टेड एंड टू एंड, एंड इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस कैन बी ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम एज अ फार्मूला आर इज इक्वल टू R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. The total resistance in the series combination is more than the greater resistance to the in the other case. The parallel combination क्या होता है? In parallel combination, the first end of all resistance is connected to the one point to the last point end of all resistance is connected to the another point, and equivalent resistance can be obtained by the 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. And finally, the total resistance is parallel to the combination is less than the least resistance of the circuit. Cell EMF and internal resistance क्या होता है? Cell क्या है? An electrolytic cell consisting two electrodes called positive and the negative. Okay, and immersed is in an electrolytic solution as shown in the figure. ये electrolytes. Okay, अब देखो electrodes exchange the charge with the electrolyte and the positive electrode and P has a potential difference VT plus V plus, and between the itself and electrolyte solution A immediately adjacent to it, and negative electrode N has potential differences V minus relative to the electrolyte and B adjacent to it. E is equal to V plus and minus V minus. ओके, अब इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस क्या होता है? इट इज़ द अपोजिशन ऑफर्ड बाय द इलेक्ट्रोलाइट ऑफ द सेल टू द फ्लो ऑफ करेंट एंड थ्रू इट सेल्फ. इट इज प्रेजेंटेड बाय द आर एंड गिवन बाय आर इज इक्वल टू वी बाय आई. ओके, अब सेल इन पैरेलल एंड सीरीज देख लेते हैं. सेल इज सीरीज पैरेलल. किरचॉफ लॉ. Kirchhoff law क्या कहता है? The Kirchhoff two rules are used to the analytic electric circuit and consist of number of resistors and the cell interconnected in a complicated way. किरचॉफ फर्स्ट रूल जंक्शन क्या कहता है? एट एनी जंक्शन द सम ऑफ द करेंट इंटरिंग द जंक्शन इज इक्वल टू द ऑफरिंग is equal to the sum of current leaving the junction. Sigma I is equal to 0. I is 1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I मतलब is equal to I4 plus I5 प्लस इसकी। किरचॉफ सेकंड लॉ क्या कहता है? लूप्स रूल कहता है। फर्स्ट लूप में जंक्शन रूल है। किरचॉफ का फर्स्ट लूप क्या कहता है? जंक्शन रूल। और सेकंड लूप क्या कहता है? इसको ध्यान रखना। ओके, काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है। फर्स्ट रूल भी देखो, इसे नोट कर लो कहीं। फर्स्ट रूल में ये कहता है, उसके सेकंड में क्या कहता है? लूप रूल। ये काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है। ओके, the algebraic sum of changes in the potential around any closed loop involving resistor and cell in the loop is 0. Sigma IR is equal to sigma E. Whitestone bridge क्या होता है? It is an application of Kirchhoff's rule and the bridge is consisting of four resistance R1, R2, R3 and R4 are four sides of a square ABCD as shown in the figure. Okay. अब बोला जाए तो ये तो देख लो, I1 है, I2 है, I3 है, मतलब अलग सब सब जुड़ा हुआ है। ओके, ये अननोन है, ये स्टैंडर्ड है, ये गल मीटर है, यहाँ से करंट है। अक्रॉस द डायग्रामी अपोजिट पॉइंट बिटवीन ए एंड सी battery is E connected and called the battery arm. Okay, and the remaining two diagonal opposite points B and D galvanometer G is connected detect current, and the line is known as the galvanometer arm. Okay, the current through all resistance and the galvanometer are shown in the figure. Balance Wheatstone bridges we considered the special case Ig is equal to 0 applying junction, and to the junction B and D we have I1 I2 is equal to I4 and I1 is equal to I3. ओके, देखो I2 जो होता है वो I4 के बराबर कैसे मैं दिखाता हूँ। जैसे ये I3 है, I2 है, और हमारा कहाँ गया? ये I4 मतलब इसके ये सामने जो होता है ना, ये सामने जो जस्ट सामने वाला ये दोनों और ये दोनों क्या होगा? सेम होता है। ठीक है, अब देखो अप्लाइंग लूप रूल्स टू द लूप ए बी डी ए क्या होता है? इसमें I2 R2 प्लस आई प्लस जीरो आई माइनस I1 R1 जो होता है 0 के बराबर होता है, यानी कि I1 I2 बराबर होता है R1 बाय R1 के। ठीक है, R2 के, यहाँ कुछ छूट गया हुआ है। उसके बाद अप्लाइंग लूप रूल्स टू द लूप बी सी डी बी में I4 R4 माइनस I3 R3 प्लस जीरो इज इक्वल टू जीरो होता है। I2 R4 प्लस माइनस I1 R3 इज इक्वल टू जीरो यूजिंग I4 बराबर I2 यानी कि I3 बराबर I1, I1 बराबर I2 और R4 बराबर R3 बाई R3 यूजिंग इक्वेशन सेकेंड एंड फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड है वी हैव R2 बाई R1 इज इक्वल टू R4 बाई R3 थर्ड जो हो गया। अब यूजिंग इक्वेशन थर्ड रिलेटिंग फॉर कंसिस्टिंग called the balance condition for the galvanometer to give zero and a null detection. Okay, अब आता है मीटर ब्रिज क्या होता है? देखो, it is the practical application for the Wheatstone bridge and the standard AC or AC of the length 1 meter and of uniform cross sectional area is stretched and the clamped between two thick metal strips bent at the right angle as shown in the figure. The end point where the wire is clamped and are connected to cell through the key K1 and the metal strip has two gap across with the resistor and can be connected. One end of the galvanometer is connected to the midpoint of the metal strip between the gaps. The other end of the galvanometer is connected to a jockey and which can be slide over a AC to make electrical connection by its knife and edge. R is known as the R is no resistance to be determined, as is the standard known resistance from a resistance box. Let the jockey be in the contact with the point T and the length of the portion AD of the wire be resistance, and the resistance of the portion AD is equal to RAD is equal to RMI1, and the resistance of the portion DC is equal to RDC RM 100 minus 1 I1, and where Rm is the resistance sub centimeter of the wire. Now RS, RAD and RDC represent our four resistance of the Wheatstone bridge. R by S, RAD by RDC is equal to RM I1 by Rm 100 minus I1. Unknown resistance R is in the term of standard known as the resistance is S is given by the R is equal to S and I1 by 100 minus I2. Okay, when the galvanometer shows the zero deflection, then the length AD is equal to I1 and the balance condition gives the percentage of error. The percentage error in the R can be minimized by the adjusting the balance point near the middle of the bridge, and that is I1 is close to the 50 centimeter, and by the making suitable choice of S. Potentiometer क्या होता है? It is a versatile instrument consisting of a long piece of uniform wire and AC across which a standard cell B is connected. So guys, thanks for watching video till the end, and don't forget you are a part of journey of NEET. So don't forget it to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye and see you in next video.